Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this playlist, we are going to learn about JavaScript in the most beginner-friendly way. When I say beginner-friendly way, I mean like learning JavaScript like a baby. In the face of AI, I actually think everybody needs to learn the basics of programming so that when you are doing your vibe coding, right, you should be able to know when AI is doing the wrong thing and when it's doing the right thing. You should be able to also correct AI the manner that AI corrects you too. And that is why you need to take this JavaScript basis course. Most AI integrations work with the front end. Whichever framework you choose, the basis still remains JavaScript. You are going to struggle if you don't understand the basis. People panic when they hear the word programming. They think it's something that only the superhumans do. But I guarantee you that programming is just like speaking a language. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Recently, I've been teaching programming to mixed group of people. When I say mixed, I mean both adults and kids in my community. And it was such an amazing experience to see how both the young kids, the adults, how they pick up programming very, very easy. Though that is not without making mistakes, corrections, and also you see some, especially the little ones, with confidence, they have built an amazing things over time. It reminded me that anyone can actually learn how to code if the basis is explained in the right way. Just like myself, when I started my tech career, I struggled a lot. I watched tons of videos, but nothing makes sense to me. Each time I look more confused than before. I knew there had to be a better way to learn how to code. So that is what this playlist is all about. I'll be teaching you JavaScript in a more practical way, a way that looks very simple and clear. We will actually understand why things work the way they work and not just copy code around. The amazing thing is at the end of this playlist, we are going to learn how to create our own personal trading bot in JavaScript. If you ever wanted to learn how to code but didn't know where to start, this is your place. I will walk you through every step. No rush, no jargon, just pure learning made simple and very fun.